Welcome to this in-depth review of Everflow, the performance marketing platform designed to help advertisers and agencies manage, track, and scale their affiliate programs effectively. As soon as you log in, you're greeted with a clean, intuitive dashboard. It gives you a high-level overview of your recent activity, top-performing affiliates, and real-time stats. Right off the bat, the UI feels modern, but has a learning curve, especially if you're new to affiliate tracking platforms. Navigating through the dashboard, you'll notice tabs for partners, offers, reports, and analytics. The partner management section is robust. You can categorize affiliates, assign them to offers, and view detailed traffic and conversion data. It's helpful, but can be overwhelming at first due to the sheer amount of options and settings. Setting up an offer is relatively straightforward. Everflow supports different pricing models like CPA, CPC, and CPI, and you can easily input targeting rules, CATs, and landing page URLs. The platform even allows for smart links, which optimize traffic routing. The reporting system is detailed and precise. You can break down data by affiliate, sub-affiliate, geo, device, and even custom parameters. The real-time data processing is a strong point, but loading detailed reports sometimes takes a few seconds longer than expected. The analytics section adds another layer of value, offering insights into user behavior and traffic quality. The built-in fraud detection tools are also a big plus. While they aren't foolproof, they add a much-needed layer of protection for advertisers who deal with shady traffic sources. Many useful links you can find in the description. What's great is that Everflow isn't just for affiliate programs. It also supports influencer marketing and media buying, making it flexible for multiple business models. That said, pricing is one of the biggest drawbacks. While the features are extensive, smaller businesses or startups might find the cost prohibitive, especially if they don't have a large volume of traffic or conversions to justify the expense. The onboarding process is another mixed bag. While there's a wealth of documentation and support videos, the initial learning curve might require assistance from their support team, which, thankfully, is responsive and helpful. Customization is another strength. From traffic routing rules to partner permissions, Everflow gives you control over nearly every aspect of your campaigns. There's also an API for those who want to build deeper integrations with other systems. However, this power comes with complexity. If you're looking for a plug-and-play solution, Everflow might not be the easiest starting point. In terms of reliability, the platform is stable, and I didn't encounter any major bugs or crashes during my testing. It integrates with popular platforms like Shopify, HubSpot, and Google Ads, which makes data syncing smoother. But I do wish there were more native integrations, with niche tools used in influencer marketing and lead generation. Overall, Everflow delivers a powerful solution for affiliate tracking and partner marketing. It's not perfect, especially for beginners or small-scale operations, but its feature set and scalability make it a strong contender in the performance marketing space. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this one.